Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best places to live throughout the Caribbean region. In today's video, we'll be delving into the tropical paradise of the Caribbean to uncover the top 10 most politically stable countries in the region. And finally, we come to our number one spot, the most politically stable country in the Caribbean, Aruba, with a remarkable score of 1.47. Aruba is considered to be the fourth most politically stable country in the world. Among countries like Singapore and New Zealand, Aruba is a constituent country within the Kingdom of the Netherlands, which some state has helped to establish a notable level of political stability. The country, even though it is connected to the Netherlands, still operates under its parliamentary democracy, with regular elections and peaceful transitions of power. Aruba upholds the rule of law and is known for its strong judicial systems which ensure the protection of civil liberties and the human rights of its citizens. Additionally, Aruba has focused on economic diversification and sustainability, with tourism being a vital sector. The government's emphasis on social welfare, education, and healthcare has contributed to the overall well-being of its citizens. So great job for Aruba!